Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial maths session. In this session, I'm going to be taking you through some more math practice questions. Again, the questions we're going to be looking at today, the questions that we're going to be looking at today, these questions are also based on numbers, the topic numbers. But before we actually start going through the questions, I want you to take a minute to make sure that you subscribed to this channel. So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, then I'm going to give you 5 seconds to click on the subscribe button. So we're going to do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thank you if you've actually clicked on the subscribe button. So again, I really look forward to coming onto the screen to go through these tutorial sessions with you. My focus is mainly on children who are preparing for the 11 plus exams, and also children who are getting ready to write the Key Stage 2 SATs exams. So the typical questions that I go through on this channel, these questions are they're actually suitable to children who are in years 4, 5 and 6. So if you are in year 4 and also in year 5 preparing for the 11 plus exams, or if you are in years 5 or 6 preparing for the Key Stage 2 SATs exams, then the tutorial sessions I hold on this channel, these sessions will be really useful when it comes to your maths learning. Now, I haven't actually started doing tutorial sessions in English. These are sessions that I plan to start taking children who are in years 4, 5 and 6. So in the future, I will actually be going through English tutorial sessions. Again, the focus for most of the tutorial sessions that I do on this channel, most of these sessions, the focus is on children who are preparing for the 11 plus exams, and also children who are preparing for the Key Stage 2 SATs exams. So if you want to really improve in your maths learning in school, or if you're looking to enter into the grammar school of your choice, then you're welcome to visit this channel as often as you can. And the better way is to actually make sure that you subscribe to this channel, so that as soon as I post a new video, you're going to be one of the first people to see the video landing, and then you can hop onto your computer and go through the tutorial session with me. I always look forward to coming here to go through these questions with you, and I've got loads more tutorial sessions that I've got planned to do with you. So thank you again for joining us. Again, I want to give you one more chance. If you're not yet subscribed, I want you to take a minute to click on that subscribe button. Again, I hope all the tutorial sessions that I come to do on this channel, I hope these sessions are positively impacting your maths learning in school. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop onto my screen where we go through the questions I've got planned for you for this session. So let's go and take a look at the questions I've got planned for you. So coming onto the screen, we've got questions for section B. As you can see on the screen, we've got 10 questions. Again, these questions are to do with numbers. So looking at the instruction we have for section B, we've got write down the value of the underlined digits. So again, the questions we have, these questions are to do with numbers, and in particular place value. So for question 1, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through the questions with you. So we're going to come to question 1. So for question 1, For question 1, we have the number 453,217. So the question is, what is the value of the underlined digit? So we see this number, the number 3 is underlined right here. So the value of this 3 is 3,000. So we're just going to put 3,000. Just like that. We come to question 2. We have the number 789,403. The value of the number 4, the digit 4, is 400. So we're going to write 400. And then we come to question 3. The number we have is 957,342. The digit underlined is the number 5. And the value of the 5 is 50,000. So we're going to write 50,000. And this will be 5 with 4 zeros. Then we come to question 4. The number is 841,536. The digit underlined is the number 8. And the value of the 8 of the number 8 is 800,000. So that will be 8 with 5 zeros. As you can see, number 5, the number is 749,312. The digit underlined is the number 2. The value of the 2 is 2. So we're just going to write the 2, as you can see. Then we come to question 6. The number is 678,954. The number underlined is the number 5. The value of the 5 is 50. And then we come to question 7. We have the number 345,789. The digit underlined is the number 5. The value of the 5 is 5,000. We come to question 8. The number is 134,578. The digit underlined is the number 5. The value of the 5 is 500. Then we come to question 9. The number we have, question 9, the number we have is 879,526. The number underlined is the number 7. The value of the 7 is 70,000. And then finally, we come to question 10. The number we have is 387,945. The digit underlined is the number 4. The value of the 4 is 40. So now we've gone through all the questions we have for section B. I've taken you through all the 10 questions. So now coming to the bottom of the screen, I want to quickly take you through what we mean by place value. I want to take you through what we mean by place value. So now coming to the bottom of the screen, when it comes to whole numbers, the number which is on the immediate right is the units. So if we look at the number we have right here, this number I have right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So this number is 9,876,543. Let me repeat that. The number we have right here is 9,876,543. So the number that we have on the immediate right is the units. So the value of the number 3 we have right here is 3 units. Next to the units, we have the tens. So the value of this 4 will be 4 tens, which will be 4 times 10, giving us 40. Next to that is the hundreds place value, which means the value of the 5 will be 500 because we have 5 times 100. So the value of this 5 will be 500. Next to that, we have the thousands place value, which means the value of the 6 will be 6,000 because 6 times 1,000 gives us 6,000. Next to that, we have the 10,000 place value, which means the value of the 7 will be 70,000 because we're going to have 7 times 10,000, which will give us 70,000. Next to that, we have the 100,000 place value position, which means the value of the number 8 right here is going to be 800,000. And then we come to the next one, and this is the millions place value position, which means the value of this 9 will be 9 million. I hope this is all making sense. Again, the numbers we're looking at in this session, all the numbers are whole numbers. In another session, I'm actually going to go through how to work out the place values of numbers that are decimal numbers. So again, I hope all the explanations given in this session are clear enough. Again, I hope all the explanations given in this session are clear enough and you can easily complete these types of questions very, very easily and also all by yourself. So again, thank you for joining this session. Again, I hope all the explanations were clear enough and all the tutorial sessions we holding on this channel. I hope all these sessions again are, having a positive impact on your maths learning in school. Again, if you have any comments, if you have anything you wish to share with me, if you have any particular topics that you would want me to go through with you, by all means, put those in the comments and I'll do my very best to read those comments and also try and organize tutorial sessions based on those topics. So again, I hope this was useful. I will see you in the next one. But before we go, again, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, I want you to take 2 seconds and click on that subscribe button. Again, it's important to do this so that as soon as I post a new video, you'll be the very first person to see that video. So thank you for joining this session. I will see you in the next one.